Going to a movie? Ooh, now that's a dinner and a show. Well, here's something that could help. First, pour your drink into this cup. Add the lid and add snacks around the straw. Good, but nothing gets cake. Except maybe the container it comes in. Just look at all the snacks it can hold. And there's even room for a straw. Ah, she's always scooping rainbows. Oh, calm down. We can always make more. Start by grinding up some cookies in a blender. Next, let's pour it out into a tray. And unwrap a whole bunch of candies. Roll them up together. And whip it up into a spiral. And soon, we've got a brand new batch of rainbow swirls. I'm getting deja vu. Oh, the jelly's new. You've got the sweetest little horn. Especially when it comes with filling. But there's always room for improvement. And by improvement, I mean sprinkles. Let's see if it passes the taste test. It does! With flying colors. But they don't all have jelly inside. Some have powder instead. And by powder, I mean bubble gum. Wow! More unicorn eggs! Just what we need to try out our new egg poacher. Bet it tastes like a day at the beach. But next up, let's try this ladle. And not just for a mirror check. Crack an egg inside and heat it up. Wow, it's even got that cute little ladle shape. Of course, the real test's in the taste.
Time! Snack time! This is gonna be so tasty. And I'll top it off with an egg. Now that's a sandwich! Hey, where do you think you're going? Not again! Okay, now it's personal! Ugh! Whoa, take it easy. I've got this. Let me make you another egg. But first, I need some garlic. Use the garlic to draw a square in the pan. Just like this. Then pour in the egg. The garlic acts like a boundary in the pan, meaning you have a square egg. Try that. It's not sliding off. Now I can finally eat. How is it? So good. You've earned a bite. It's so yummy. Whoa! Check this out! They've got a bag of chips and now they're throwing in stuff. Some tomatoes, some fresh onions, a bit of cheese. Oh, and an egg. Now they're shaking the heck out of it. No, wait, what? They're boiling the bag of chips? It came out as a roll. Now they've cut it up. And are dipping it. Okay, we've really gotta try that. I'm starving. Holy cow! Looks like the stuff is already waiting for us! Wait, what the heck is this? Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a fancy coin! I bet this can buy us everything we need! Oops. Are you serious? Did you just lose the coin? Okay, well now what the heck are we gonna do? Wait! I've totally got an idea! Stay right here! Phew, at least she's not mad. Wait! What the heck? There's another one! Nice! It's a bag of chips we need! Alright, I've gotta find some money. Not in here. These chips smell so salty and fresh. Excuse me, I just need to check these real quick. Oh, these are so good. I feel so hungry. more than you! Oh no! She's coming back! Hide the evidence! Phew. That was a lot of work, but I got us some chips. Gosh. That was a lot of work. Okay, but we're ready now, right? We are! Let's start adding in the stuff. That's the cheese and onions, the tomatoes, can't forget those. And now I have to carefully crack this egg into the bag. That's fun! Now I better roll the bag shut and give it a shake. And now into the pot for cooking. Oh no! This isn't a stove! How are we gonna cook this? Hey! We can just heat it up using our hands! Like this! Ah, it's so hot! Quick! Give me the pot! Oh, good job! Okay, give it here! Ah! But my hands are still on fire! Okay. Phew. That's so much better. Look! Our snack is done cooking! It looks amazing! Let's slice this up. Good thing we don't need a knife. Let's add some herbs to this too. Really make it fancy. Are you ready to try it? I think it'll be great! Oh wow! This is so delicious! Genius! I'll just add a bit more sprinkles to the top. Emma's gonna love this birthday cake I made for her. I think it's the best cake I've ever made. Ooh, hey! Look at this cake! I gotta give this a try. Yep, that's the real deal. You're coming with me, cake. Ah! Thomas! Stop right there! Oh, no! My cake! I'm sorry. I can fix it. Look! Good as new! That's not a cake! That's a cake mound! No, don't cry! Look! Here's a candle and everything! It was gonna be a cake for Emma, and now it's ruined! Aw, man. I didn't mean to ruin her cake. Huh. She still has some of her ingredients out here. I think I know how to fix this! Time to melt some chocolate with this hairdryer. Ooh, that looks tasty. But I can't eat it. Not yet. Okay, that's done. Now for these mini marshmallows. I'll just dump them into the chocolate. Gotta mix them up until they're all covered in chocolate. It almost looks like a delicious candy cereal in chocolate milk. Time to just dump this all into a cake pan. Perfect! It all fits! Better top it off with sprinkles for some color. Nice! I'm pretty good at this. Now that they're cooled, they're ready to eat! I made chocolate marshmallow bars! The candle is the perfect final touch! Whoa! How did you do that? Sorry about the cake. I made these for Emma's party instead. That's amazing! Come on! Let's go to the party!
Apple cinnamon's my favorite combo. Especially when you use it to bake. Just a dash of milk. Oh, excuse me. This fresh pot's calling my name. Don't mind me, I'm just stirring away. Or rather, whisking away. Gah! The coffee machine! This stuff really flies. How do I even clean this? It's too hot to touch! Which may have worked in my favor. It's like a little pancake griddle! Who knew? It probably tastes good too. Oh yeah, pass the oil. We're kicking this thing into high gear. Who knew this thing could be so versatile? And who doesn't love mini pancakes? Whoa, look at this guy go! Time to flip! Very nice. Can we speed this up? We're hungry. Okay, it's looking just about ready. We're getting a pretty good stack going here. My mouth is seriously watering. Tell me about it. Thanks. Now let's dig right in. These may look small, but boy do they have big flavor.
Is chemistry supposed to be this hard? Something yummy ought to get my thinking straight. Chocolate is just what the doctor ordered. Isn't it the most perfect piece? It's just a little sugar, Mom! Not until your homework's done. You need to focus, Lizzie! Focus on this bowl of candy, you mean? Seriously? Is everyone's mom this strict? Just gotta get a little sneaky. See this big round brush? Turns out it's hollow inside. Simply pour your candy in. What is that racket? That better not be candy! Quick, get it all inside here! And make it look like you're working! Nothing to see here! Is this your work? Candy? You never learn, do you? Oh, I'm smarter than you think. Secret candy stash, to the rescue! Come to mama! Oh, why are these always so good? What mom doesn't know won't hurt her.
Want to order some cupcakes? Ooh, I'd better try one. Make sure it's not poison or anything. Can I fit it all in my mouth? Vicky, make sure you remember to breathe. Don't mess with Vicky when she's eating cupcakes. So good! And they're the perfect amount of sweet. What's so funny? Did I get some on my face? Ah, hello, frosting. Thanks for the tip. Why do cupcakes have to be so messy? I think I have a solution. In one swift move, you can have yourself a cupcake sandwich. Now the frosting is nice and secured. And it still tastes like heaven. That's seriously brilliant, Bella. One little twist. And poof! Sandwich time. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Cheers, girl!
Load up that fork and taste. Is there anything better?
Buckle up, we're going in!
Such creamy texture, kind of like a cloud.
Get ready, folks! Booyah!
What on earth? Oh!
Nailed it!
Seriously? Hey, what are they saying? They like it? Then watch this! Hey, you wanted likes, right?
But my face!
Look!
What? Whoa, they're digging it! This is sick! You want more?
Uh-oh.
Did you make this mess? I mean… Okay, that's it! Enough!
Ow!
Okay, kids. Hold on a sec. There it is! Hey! Welcome to Boys vs. Girls! You hear me? Yeah? First up, balloons!
Balloons?
Yup. Do your thing! Okay. Let's go! Me first!
Now me! Yes! 1! Keep going!
No! Come on!
Wait! Yes! Got it!
Yeah, baby!
Come on!
2!
1 for me! Okay, come on! Oh!
Yes! It's happening!
You can say that again! Yes!
Aw, man!
That's right!
And we have a winner! That's my girl!